Now we will solve the problem number 35 from chapter 27 survey. 35 is compute the cost per day of operating lamp that draw current. Current is that current is 1.7 ampere. Voltage is 110 volt. Assume cost per electric company is cost is 0.0 sorry, cost is 0.06 uh, per kilowatt per hour. So compute the cost per day. We have to for the lamp drawn. Okay. We have firstly we have to find the power. Okay, as we know that to find the cost we have to calculate the power, and the power is P equal to I delta V, or you may say that del V, as I have already explained, and I is 1.7 ampere, and voltage is 110, and by doing computing it will 187 watt. uh, he said assume the that draw assume that cost acha, we have to cost per day, so energy consume ener- sorry, energy energy used in 24 hours of day, that will be, yes, that will be, as we know that there's 120 sorry, 24 hours, so 187 will be multiplied with the 24. So but as we have the cost in kilowatt per hour, so we have to convert it into, this is as we know that this is 187 watt, and this is 24 hours. So so firstly we have to convert this watt into kilowatt, so that mean that must be 0.187 kilowatt multiplied by 24. So the answer is 4.49 kilowatt. Uh, so so total so total cost for complete day for 24 hours of day, that will be given is 4.49 per cost is 0.060 dollar. Okay, so a total cost will become 0.269 dollar. Okay, but this is in a dollar, and now if the answer is in the form of the cent, mean because it is in point form, so we multiply 0.269 with the 100 cent, so that will become 26.9 cents. Okay. So this both answer will be true, but it depend upon the your, you may say that both answer is true. Uh, this is on this answer is also true, and this is also true. So you may consider these two. Okay, so that will be the answer of this question. If you have any type of question or confusions, you may put your confusions or questions or your feedback in your in comment box. It will be players for us to answer your questions. Please don't hesitate, and it will be highly appreciated. For appreciate us or encourage us, please uh, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.